The 1958 Ford F-100 4X4 is a classic pickup truck that holds a special place in automotive history. It was the first time Ford offered four-wheel drive as a factory-installed option in its trucks. Before this, if someone wanted a 4X4 Ford truck, it had to be modified by third-party companies. The 1958 model gave customers the convenience and reliability of a factory-built 4X4, which made it stand out in the market at the time. This truck came with strong engine options, including a 223 cubic inch inline-six and a 272 cubic inch V8. These engines provided enough power for both work and off-road use. The 4X4 system included a Dana 44 front axle, a Dana 60 rear axle, and a Dana 24 transfer case, which made it capable of handling tough terrains. The transmission options included a 3-speed manual and a 4-speed manual, giving drivers better control depending on their needs. The 1958 model also saw some changes in design. It was the first Ford truck to come with quad headlights, giving it a more modern and aggressive look for its time. The grille design was new, and there were updates in chrome and styling that made the truck look more stylish while keeping its rugged appeal. Customers could choose between the Styleside bed with smooth lines or the flareside bed, which had exposed rear wheel arches for a more traditional look. The body was built to be durable, with a strong frame and tough materials that made it suitable for heavy-duty work. Despite being a work truck, it had a certain charm with its vintage look, and many people today restore them to show off at classic car events. These trucks were not just useful but also a part of American culture, often seen on farms, ranches, and job sites during that time. Because 1958 was the first year Ford offered a 4X4 option straight from the factory, original versions are quite rare today. Collectors and classic truck lovers highly value them. Restoring one can be challenging due to the limited availability of original parts, but the end result is often worth it. A fully restored 1958 F-100 4X4 is not just a vehicle, it's a piece of history. It represents a time when trucks were built tough, made to last, and had a simple but bold style. The 1958 Ford F-100 4X4 remains a symbol of strength, innovation, and timeless design.